But I wonder when you're drinking if you find yourself thinking about that boy from East Tennessee. And I know we both knew better, but we still said forever, and that was 7 summers ago in Southern Comfort, were we just dumber, younger, who knows? Back when we used to love the river and sipping on a sixer with me. Does it ever make you sad to know that was 7 summers ago? Hey everyone, Blaze plays guitar lessons. Want to teach you guys how to play the brand new Morgan Wallen song, 7 Summers. It just came out. I think it was actually today, so maybe yesterday. But anyway, super good song. No capo, standard tuning. Let me know if you guys have any questions about anything in the song, but it's really easy to play. And also please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials in the future, okay? I know there's some requests to play other songs. I've got those coming, but I just really wanted to get the song right after it came out because I know that people are going to want to learn it. So, but I do have some of your requests pending, all right? So thanks so much for watching and for subscribing and hitting like and everything. All right, let's get into it. So for this song, you're going to start with G. Okay, you're going to go, and it doesn't matter which G you use. I actually, for this part, prefer this G, but you'll notice that when I play the chorus, I play this G, so it doesn't matter, okay? So it's G, down, down, up, down, up, down. So you go to C, okay? That's why I like this G, is because it just goes to C very easily. So you'll just do G, and then C, and then back to G. That's the intro, okay? Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Yeah, I used to talk about getting even further south, somewhere where the summer lasted all year round. Probably got a big old... Okay, so that's how that goes, right? So it's, yeah, I used to talk about getting even further south, because you're just playing G here, and you go on somewhere, you do C. Somewhere where the summer lasted all year round. Probably got a, okay, so you probably got a, and then you do G again. Probably got a big old diamond on your hand right now. Maybe a baby or a couple by now. Then on long is C. Long driveway to a big white house. Okay, then you're gonna go to A minor next, okay? Big white house. But I wonder, okay, wonder is A minor. Wonder when you're drinking if you, after you do D. You find yourself thinking about. Okay, so it's really easy to go from that D to G. That's why I do that G here, okay? So you're gonna go, I wonder if when you find yourself drinking about that boy. Okay, so you do, after about, you do G. About that boy from East Tennessee. Tennessee is where you do E minor, okay? C. You go back to A minor. And I know we both knew better. So on no is where you do A minor. No, we both knew better, but we. Okay, so right between we and still, but after we, you do D. We still said forever and that. So after that, you do G. That was 7 summers ago. Okay, so a go is E minor. Go in Southern Comfort. We, after we, you do A minor. We just dumber, younger, who knows? Knows is D, knows. Back when you used as G, used to love the river and sipping. Okay, sip is where you do E minor. Sipping on a sixer with me. Okay, so then you do A minor after me. Does it ever make you sad to know? Okay, so you could keep doing the same strumming here, or you could do the single strum on the A minor. Does it ever make you sad to know that was 7 summers ago? Okay, so what you're gonna do is A minor after me. Does it ever make you sad to know that? Okay, so for sure on D, I would just do the single strum. That was 7 summers ago. Then you're just gonna do the same thing as you did in the intro. Just do G, C. Then you're gonna go back into it. Okay, then you're gonna go back to the second verse and just do G, C, G. Okay, and then the chorus is all the same. So now you know how to play the entire song. Okay, it's super easy. It's awesome. Like, it's my favorite song right now. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything about it in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.